The silence cuts deeper with each passing day. You turned away without a fight, and now I'm left in the cold, alone tonight. The sound of goodbye, it echoes loud. A love once strong, now lost in the crowd. I tried to hold on, but you slipped through. The sound of goodbye, I'll never forget you. I thought love would conquer all our fears, but now I'm drowning in these tears. You walked away, but the pain stays near. The sound of goodbye, still crystal clear. The sound of goodbye, it echoes loud. A love once strong, now lost in the crowd. I tried to hold on, but you slipped through. The sound of goodbye, I'll never forget you. I hear your footsteps, but you're not there. The empty space is too much to bear. I still hold on to the love we knew. The sound of goodbye, I'm lost without you. The sound of goodbye, it echoes loud. A love once strong, now lost in the crowd. I tried to hold on, but you slipped through. The sound of goodbye, I'll never forget you. Now I'll walk away, though it tears me apart. The sound of goodbye, it's breaking my heart. But I'll find my way, though it's hard to see. The sound of goodbye, it set me free. We dance beneath the moonlit sky, whispers of love as time passed by. Your hand in mine, it felt so right, but now I'm alone, staring at the night. touch was warm. Now the cold winds blow. I still see your face in the soft moon's glow. Beneath the moonlit sky, I'm letting you go. Beneath the moonlit sky, I hear your name. A love so sweet, but it's not the same. The stars don't shine as bright tonight. Beneath the moonlit sky, I'm lost in the light. The night's too quiet, the air too still. I'm holding on, but I can't feel the thrill. The love we had is now a fading sight. Beneath the moonlit sky, I say goodbye. Beneath the moonlit sky, I hear your name. A love so sweet, but it's not the same. The stars don't shine as bright tonight. Beneath the moonlit sky, I'm lost in the light. So I walk away, but your memory stays. Beneath the moonlit sky, through endless days, I'll find my peace, though it's hard to see. Beneath the moonlit sky, I'll set myself free. I thought we'd last, thought we'd stand tall, but love fades fast when the storm starts to call. You walked away, left me in the cold, gone with the wind. Love grew old, gone with the wind. disappear. Gone with the wind, like a fleeting dream. The love we had, now it's just a scream. I tried to hold on, but it slipped away. Gone with the wind at the break of day. Thought you were forever, but forever's gone. The winds of change carried you along. Now I'm standing here with nothing to find. Gone with the wind, you left me behind. Gone with the wind, like a fleeting dream. The love we had, now it's just a scream. I tried to hold on, but it slipped away. Gone with the wind at the break of day. So I'll let you go, though it tears me apart. Gone with the wind, you stole my heart. But I'll move on, though the wind still blows. Gone with the wind, but I'll find my glow. I look in your eyes, but I can't see the love we shared. Now it's slipping from me. We stand in silence, but the pain is loud. Unspoken words lost in the crowd. Unspoken words we never said. The things we needed left unsaid. I tried to love you, I tried to stay, but unspoken words took you away. We danced around the truth, too clear. Now I'm stuck in a love I can't steer. The things you held back, they cut me deep. Unspoken words, now I can't sleep. Unspoken words, now I can rest. I'll find my peace, though the silence will stay. Unspoken words, forever in my way. Darkness creeping in, a loved one's bright, now full of sin. The light has faded, the pain's begun, shadows in my heart, love's on the run. but I lost my way. Shadows in my heart, where I used to stay. I hear your voice, but it's far away. I love that slipped and couldn't stay. I reach for the light, but it slips through my hands. Shadows in my heart, no one understands. Shadows in my heart, I can't let them go. A loved one's warm, now covered in snow. I try to hold on, but I lost my way. Shadows in my heart, where I used to stay. The silence screams, but you're not there. A loved one's bright, now lost in despair. The shadows grow, and I can't fight. Shadows in my heart, consuming the light. Shadows in my heart, I can't let them go. A loved one's warm, now covered in snow. I try to hold on, but I lost my way. Shadows in my heart, where I used to stay. I'll keep walking, though it's hard to see. Shadows in my heart, but they won't define me. I'll find my peace, though it's hard to start. Shadows in my heart, they'll tear me apart. You told me you loved me, but it wasn't true. Sweet lies wrapped up in everything you do. I believed every word, every promise made. Now I'm left with bitter tears, love's masquerade. Sweet lies and bitter tears. left me in the cold with nothing to say. The love we had is lost in the breeze. Sweet lies and bitter tears, they never cease. Sweet lies and bitter tears, that's all I've got. A love once sweet, now it's all I forgot. You played my heart like a fool in the dark. Sweet lies and bitter tears, leaving a mark. So I'll keep crying, though you're long gone. Sweet lies and bitter tears, they carry on. I'll find my way, but it'll take some time. Sweet lies and bitter tears, still trapped in my mind. I thought I'd found my place in your embrace, but now I'm lost and I can't find my grace. You held me close, but you let me fall, lost in your arms with no love at all. Lost in your arms where I thought I'd stay, but love slipped away and I couldn't make you stay. I gave you my heart, but you let it break. Lost in your arms, a love you couldn't take. I hear your whispers, but they don't feel the same. The love we had is just a memory's name. I reach for you, but you're out of sight. Lost in your arms, lost in the night. Lost in your I used to wake up with you by my side. Sunday mornings, love was our guide. We laughed, we talked, the world felt so right. But now it's just silence and the end of the night. No more Sunday morning, no more light. The love we had now out of sight. I search for peace, but it's hard to find. No more Sunday mornings, love left behind. I thought we'd grow old, hand in hand, but now I'm left here, lost in the sand. The joy we shared, now just a dream. No more Sunday mornings, it's not what it seems. No more Sunday morning, no more light. The love we had now out of sight. I search for peace, but it's hard to find. No more Sunday mornings, love left behind. I see the sunrise, but it's not the same. No more laughter, no more names. I hold on to memories, but they fade too fast. No more Sunday mornings, love couldn't last. No more Sunday mornings, no more light. The love we had said you loved me, but you turned away. Now I'm drowning in the pain of yesterday. The tears keep falling, but I'm not surprised. Cry me a river, it's all in my eyes. Cry me a river, let the tears flow. You left me behind, and I'm letting you go. The love we had is now just a lie. Cry me a river, and I'll say goodbye. I thought you were true, but you broke my heart. Now we're worlds apart, right from the start. I gave you my soul, but you didn't care. Cry me a river, but you're not there. Cry me a river, let the tears flow. You left me behind, and I'm letting you go. The love we had is now just a lie. And I'll say goodbye. The water's rising, but I won't drown. You're not the one to keep me down. I'll walk away, though it's hard to do. Cry me a river, I'm through with you. Cry me a river, let the tears flow. You left me behind, and I'm letting you go. The love we had is now just a lie. Cry me a river, and I'll say goodbye. So cry me a river, but I won't return the love we shared. It's my last concern. I'll find my peace, though it's hard to see. Torn between two loves, I don't know where to turn. My heart's in a battle with so much to learn. One love is old and the other is new. Torn between two loves, what am I to do? My heart's divided, torn between two loves. Both have provided. Torn between two loves, I don't know where to turn. My heart's in a battle with so much to learn. One love is old and the other is new. Between two loves, what am I to do? I hear their voices calling my name, but it's hard to choose who's to blame. I wish I could love them both the same. Torn between two loves, it's all but I'll understand.